In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate on tasks with team members in Todoist. We'll walk through how to share a project with others and then how to assign specific tasks so everyone knows exactly what they're responsible for. By the end, you'll be able to turn a personal project into a shared, organized workspace for your whole team. First, open Todoist and select the project you want to collaborate on. This might be a client project, a team backlog, or any ongoing work that requires multiple people. Make sure you're in the correct project, because everything you share from this point on will be visible to the people you invite. If you're unsure, double check the project name and its tasks before moving forward. Once your project is open, look for the share option. This is usually located near the top of the project view. Go ahead and click on share. This is where you will control who has access to your project and what level of collaboration they can have. Think of this as opening the door for your teammates to see and work on the same list of tasks. After clicking share, you'll see a field where you can type in the email address of the person you want to invite. Carefully type the email and make sure it's correct, since this is how Todoist knows who to send the invitation to. As you type, Todoist may suggest contacts you've worked with before, which can make this step faster. Once the email is entered, simply follow the on-screen prompts to send the invitation. Your teammate will receive an invite, and once they accept it, they'll see this project in their own Todoist workspace. Now that the project is shared, you can start assigning tasks. In your task list, look for the assignee icon next to a task. This often appears as a small avatar or person symbol. Click on that icon to open the assignee menu. If you prefer, you can also open the full task view and look for the option to add an assignee there. From the list of collaborators, choose the team member who should own that task. Assigning a task doesn't just label it, it clearly communicates who's responsible, reduces confusion, and helps keep your project on track. Repeat this for each task that needs an owner. That's all you need to start collaborating on tasks with your team in Todoist. Share the project, invite your teammates, and assign each task to the right person.